all of my Fabs and Besties, we would like to give a very special thank you to Just Play for sending Hairdorables Hairmazing dolls to us as a free gift. Yes, this video contains free product. And I am so excited about these. Hairdorables are one of my favorite collectible doll lines. This one is from Series 3, the Color Crimp and Curl collection, featuring Noah and her friends. Noah is an influencer, and she and her friends take pictures of their fabulous hair. These are surprise boxes, so you don't know what you're going to get, which means there is a possibility for doubles. But the dolls are a little over 5 inches, and they are super cute, so yeah, I'm a collector. I love their face, I love their hair, and I love how they have fabric clothes. But you all know that I am crazy about articulation, and that is why when these dolls came out, we did a few doll head swapping experiments with different bodies to make them taller. My boxy Hairdorables were some of my favorites, but it was very difficult finding a perfect match for their skin tones. But someone out there in the universe must have heard my dolly wish and created Hairdorables Hairmazing. These are very large boxes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different dolls. And how do I know they are different dolls, you ask? Because you can see them on the front of the box. This is Willow, Dee Dee, Harmony, Callie, Bella, and Noah. Bigger hair, still don't care. These dolls have a suggested retail price of $19.99. There are 6 surprises inside. On the back, there is a picture of all 6 girls, and they are fully posable fashion dolls. Let's get this girl out of the box for a closer look. Let's open it right there. Swing the door open. We have a full body picture of Noah on the inside. This side opens up. This piece comes down. Flip these up for an instant runway. Carefully remove the doll from the wall. Free her from the plastic and say hello to Hairmazing Noah, aka Noah as a grown-up, which I think is so cool because we rarely get to see some of our favorite characters grow up. So Noah goes from this to this. And over the years, her hair has grown. This doll has teal and blonde hair. The top has a braid and a side bun. She wears an off-the-shoulder top with ruffle at the neckline and ruffled sleeves. It velcros in the back. The top is separate from the pants. They also velcro in the back and have stitched details. That's right, people, these are not printed on. Every last one of these little flowers are stitched. What? I am loving that detail. And she comes with a pair of large glasses. Now let's check out the articulation. She has rotation at the head, which is awesome. Rotation at the shoulder. She can bend at the elbow. And I'm thinking that is a pretty nice range of motion. Can she touch her ear? Y'all, this girl can probably talk on a cell phone. Did you hear me? I said she can talk on a cell phone. Okay. She can touch her face. Oh my goodness. I am very, very, very pleasantly surprised by the articulation on this little hinged elbow. What? There is rotation at the wrist, and there is a lot of good detail in the hands. If you look closely, you can see her fingernails. There is some articulation in the upper torso. She can rotate at the hip and bend at the knee. And that is a pretty nice range of motion. Check her out sitting in one of our miniature chairs. Inside of the box, there are 4 compartments that contain our surprises. Let's check out the first one. The packaging says Noah on it, Let's tear it open. And inside we have large tassel earrings. Her ears are pierced so she can wear the earrings right away. Door number 2 gives us shoes and something else. What is that? A barrette. Nope, it's not a barrette. Maybe it's a belt? Nope, it's flowers for her hair. How do I know this? Well, because I looked at the picture. I was putting her shoes on and noticed she has a serious incline. Whoa, look at that wedge. Before the shoes, she was about 10.5 inches. Then after, she was closer to 11. Door number 3 gives us a large purse. That's cool. It's a giant lemon wedge that you can actually put stuff in. Behind door number 4, a base for our doll stand and a brush. Oh, and the little piece that goes around the doll's waist. Now we can assemble our doll stand. The pole was located right next to the doll in the packaging. Just attach that to the base, then add the little waist piece to complete Noah's all grown up look. I think it's so cute that she comes with a little runway, and if we fold it up, we can store the doll inside neatly on a shelf. Now there is no bottom, so you need to make sure to remember that before you pick it up. Let's take a look at Harmony. I love Hairdorables packaging and how it is meant to be reused. Out of the box, Harmony's hair has 3 colors, a neon yellow, green, and blue. It looks like she has an asymmetrical haircut where it is longer on one side than the other. She wears an animal print top with long sheer sleeves, faux leather collar and cuffs, and it hangs down in the back. She has faux leather shorts and yellow and blue metallic tights. All of her clothing items are separate pieces, which is awesome. She has a guitar accessory, and now we can check out her runway. Ooh, the background looks like a stage, and she has large speakers on the sides of the runway. I really like this runway detail, but it would have been awesome if the whole background was a part of it, because then we would have had more space to play. Let's check out those surprises. Her packaging is green and says Harmony. Inside, we have 2 large pair of golden boots. Door number 2 gives us giant earrings. Wow, and I mean giant, and a pair of glasses. I see you, Harmony, with those giant hoops. And here she is with the sunglasses. Surprise number 3 is a large hairbrush, and I like how it's a different design than Noah's. And our last surprise is the base to the doll stand and a large hat to finish off Harmony's look. So here is Hairdorables Harmony, and here is Hairmazing Harmony. Here's Callie, our tech-savvy girl, rocking that natural curl pattern. I am loving that. Her hair is purple and pink, shaved on the sides and dyed a neon yellow. She is already rocking her earrings. They are lightning bolts. She wears a gray hoodie, a white sleeveless top with a bow tie, and a purple skirt. The top and skirt are sewn together. There is a plastic ruffle at the bottom. Let's take a look at her runway. Very cool with the neon lights with green lightning bolts. I love the neon lights. Let's take a look at our surprises. Ooh, we get purple bags now. Our first surprise is a pair of shoes. Our second surprise is a pink visor, and there's a little comb on top to help it stay in place. Number 3 gives us sunglasses. Ooh, and I think that's a cell phone or a tablet. attached to a belt, so she always has the essentials. And our last set of surprises, the parts of the doll stand, and a wide tooth comb. Wow, I feel like somebody over there understands natural hair. So yeah, thank you for that. So here's the original Callie, and here she is a little bit older. Let's take a look at Willow. She has pink and lavender hair. One side is shaved and covered in glitter. She wears a soft green dress with glitter hearts, sheer sleeves, and a ruffle at the bottom. Pink tights with glitter details, and she carries a rainbow purse. Her runway is clouds and rainbows, of course, because that's totally Willow. That is so pretty. Her first surprise is a unicorn flower crown. That is so Willow. Second surprise is earrings and a pair of sunglasses. One earring is gold colored and the other is a feather. Keeping with her unicorn theme, she has rainbow sunglasses. Surprise number 3 is a pair of unicorn shoes that have little tails on them. And behind door number 4, we get the stand and hairbrush, completing Willow's magical look. Little Willow, Big Willow. Here's Bella, ready to dance on the scene with her new articulation. She has purple and blonde curly hair with a little braid right in front, gold-colored ribbon earrings, a pink top, dark blue satin skirt with a ruffle, blue and black knee-high stockings, and there is a little heart on her lipstick. Her runway has lots of sparkles and little spotlights with roses. Behind door number 1, we find our first surprise, which is a pair of shoes. The details on the shoes are soft, so be careful when putting them on so you don't break the laces. But wow, they're really cute. Our second surprise is a tiara hair accessory and a hairbrush. Door number 3 gives us a pink bag with a navy blue pom-pom. And our last surprise for Bella is her doll stand and a pair of sunglasses. Loving all of these details and seeing how Bella has changed over the years. Last but not least, here is our adorable little foodie, Dee Dee, with two-toned hair pulled back at the temples and soft curls. She is wearing pink sunglasses, a pink and white striped top, ruffled overalls with sprinkles. The top and overalls are all one piece and Velcro in the back, and she's wearing yellow, sweet and salty socks. I like how her buttons look like candy. Her runway background is a brick wall with neon lights that are shaped like food. How cute is that? Oh, I love this. Gotta check out those surprises. And our first one is a pink beret. Our second one is shoes and a brush. The shoes have glitter in them and little gold buckles painted on the sides. Door number 3 has a pair of large earrings that match her hair. And behind door number 4, we have the rest of her doll stand and a giant pink bag with a yummy face on it. Dee Dee is so cute. Here she is when she was little, and look at her now. As an adult doll collector, I love so much about this line. They are fully articulated and tall enough to be compatible with many of our 1/6 scale accessories. It took me a minute to get used to the new face sculpts, and that's just because I am absolutely in love with Hairdorables. But the Hairmazing dolls are really cute too. I love their fashion and how many of the pieces are separate, so we have the option to mix and match. I think they captured each doll's personality perfectly, and I can't tell you how much I am loving this hair. At $19.99, you get a fully articulated doll, lots of fashion, and accessories. They are definitely a fabulous addition to our Hairdorables collection. And if you are up for a little head swapping, they look like they might be compatible. The Hairdorables has a slightly smaller neck hole than the Hairmazing. I put them in hot water to soften the head. To remove the head, and here you can see the peg that is underneath. This one is pretty delicate, so you want to make sure that head is very soft and squishy before trying to remove it, or you will break the neck peg. Make sure the new head is soft before trying to put it onto the body. It did take a little bit of muscle, but we got it to work, giving us the option to use our original Hairdorable heads with these bodies. These dolls will hit the stores in December of 2019, and I can't wait to see more from this collection. Because we are missing some of our besties, we still need Kat, Neela, and Rain, just to name a few. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Hairdorables Hairmazing, the new fully posable 10.5-inch dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and The Frog Vlog. And we'll see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.